and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I'm here today with my Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar, and we are now on day 20. It's so hard to choose. I've had 3 amazing Advent calendars this season. I have so loved both for crafting purposes, my Craft Buddy and my Art Impressions Advents. They have been so much fun getting me into my crafting spirit. Just having so much fun. Oh goodness, a beautiful Christmas tree. This is going to be fun. I think we have a tree from earlier. Looking back. Oh, no we don't. We have the star. That's what it was. So these are magnetic ornaments to go on our Christmas tree that we are decorating every single day with some of our beautiful crystals. And I've had gorgeous bells and candy canes and different ornaments along with a little ornament star. I'm hoping there's a large ornament star for a tree topper or an angel topper. I'm good either way. Oops, I got one little extra gem in there from yesterday. And it looks like we have 5 colors today. This is the first time I've gotten to use all 5 trays. So this one's got a couple different shades of green. So it looks like we have 2 shades of green, which is something I really enjoy about these sets, is because it gives the shading, the gradations, and the shadows in these sets, which is really nice. I also love that they are pre-printed. So that helps a lot, that I don't have to fill in every single blank spot. I just have to give the illusion of it. Oops. Close that down. There we go. But this here, the trays that I'm working with, is a 3D print file that I found. I will link the 3D print file, so if you'd like to get it printed, you can. I do have a dear friend that does 3D printing, so I reached out to them and asked if I could have them print this for me, and it has been just an absolute godsend. I am so in love with it. I wish I had it for the entire month, not just toward the end, because for me, I think it goes so much faster. One of the things that during the presentation, so I purchased this off of HSN during one of their craft days, and Craft Buddy had the Today Special Value for their card set. But one of the things that they did mention in their presentations was that they give you at least 60% extra gems, which is, I found, very true to form. They give tons of extra crystals and to use for other elements. I am a paper crafter. I love making cards. So you may see some of my other cards. So I've been crafting throughout the month with my Art Impressions cards, and you could see some of the gems that are on there that I've added in. So it has been absolutely a blast. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this next process. I'm going to let you watch along as I add all of my gems to this beautiful Christmas tree ornament, and I will see you at the end. Okay, we have now finished day 20 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. This Christmas tree is so adorable. I am absolutely loving it. So 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we are almost there. I'm so excited. Thank you again so much for joining me. I will catch you again tomorrow. Take care and have a great day.